What's up, J.O. Mafia? It's your girl, Jazz.
It's your boy Otis, you guys. And look, man, we are doing a seafood boil with Bloveslife sauce, you guys. That Smackalicious sauce.
Yes, I know, y'all. We didn't order it. By the time we got ready to, it was already sold out.
You already
So
know.
we had to substitute in what she taught us.
You know what I mean? She taught us this.
Yeah.
Well, she taught a lot of y'all this because she put the video up on YouTube.
Right.
But look, y'all, what we got to do before we get into this food.
Like this video.
Share this video.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell, bing, and don't forget to subscribe.
Now, with that being said, let's hit y'all with the thumbnail.
Right.
All right. Oh, this is
Here you go.
sharp.
Oh, I shouldn't have handed to her like that. Come on, babe. She done hurt herself, y'all. Y'all see that?
No, I didn't. Ow. But
Look.
I feel like I'm going to.
Oh.
Ow.
Man. Haven't made this sauce in a minute.
Woo. Okay, y'all.
Here you go.
No meat in there.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't no meat. I pulled it out.
Y'all better come get y'all girl.
Oh.
Show them.
What? I gotta open it, fool.
Look, they want to see you open, girl.
Alright,
Y'all already know. You see what I mean?
Alright, y'all. I'm finna grab it. Oop, it fell out. Oh, no. That works too.
Look.
Y'all see that? Alright, we go. Y'all gonna get the first bite. Y'all see that dripping?
She all up in my personal space, y'all.
Okay. I don't even care.
Y'all see that?
No, I'm trying to get to it for y'all.
We take all that out. You know what I mean? You gotta clean it up. You know what I mean? And you just grab some of that meat like that.
Lesson of the day, huh?
Man, I honestly still don't, like, I'm not a perfectionist when it come down to this, to these right here.
Tastes so good.
Man. It ain't gonna be too much talking, y'all.
Yeah, y'all. I'm hungry, y'all. Today, I'm hungry. You alright?
Woo!
You alright there?
Man, one of them peppers.
Oh, look at this, y'all. We cooked that. So these cream nice and neat.
Y'all probably like, boy, Otis, you teeing up. Man.
Let me grab some of this corn.
Y'all, I want to tell y'all that Leah been doing really good in school. And the teacher is so proud of her. And she was so happy to tell me she got a yo-yo. Teacher bought her a yo-yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these.
Here y'all go. Oh. And what kind of certificate did she get?
She got stickers because
She was being good.
yeah, she was amazing. She did amazing. As always. Yes, y'all. I just used that scissors to cut it. I know.
Oh, you bogus.
I sure did.
How'd you do that?
I just did it.
Are you serious?
Yep. I ain't got
Jazz,
time to be peeling nothing.
what you talking about?
What?
Okay, mama. Yeah, you just.
There's some of these potatoes.
Oh,
I was neglecting the potatoes.
what you talking about? I just ate one.
I didn't think you would.
You dip it in there like that. You break it off.
These things huge.
What?
Crawfish. They big.
I'm about to go on here, y'all.
Oh yeah, that's right. He didn't get.
Here you go.
Oh, he didn't do his like me. I got all my meat out.
Y'all see it? Yeah, we got better scissors. I know y'all like them scissors y'all had before.
That's bogus.
Yeah, they were bogus. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So here you go. Here you go. This is what we gonna do. Here you go. Y'all see that? Look. Ooh. Y'all see that? Ooh. Babe, look up. Ooh.
Oh. Yeah, that's good.
Oh my God. Man. You know what, y'all? I ain't gonna lie. This is good.
Yes.
Oh my God, boy. Man, got that onion in there. Man. I'm gonna clap that back. So yeah, man, Aaliyah been doing very good. And I'm so proud of her.
Me too.
Because the teacher always telling
Excuse me,
Jazz, you know, because I don't drop her off or I don't pick her up because the time I get off. So Jazz be there holding it down for
You see
us.
that? That came on right out.
Here you go. So I'm gonna try.
Oh, look, y'all.
Man, this stuff is, wow. Y'all see this? Man, these things are, man. Babe, you know what? You know what I want to do? I want to catch some of these big old, oh, y'all see that?
I like it.
Lisa said she like it.
Y'all see that? to go diving for some of these and catch them in the wild.
Oh, yeah.
I'd do that.
Yes, she will.
Mommy.
You gonna be right there with me.
No, she won't.
Why not?
'Cause I ain't doing that.
Why you always doing your eyes like that? Y'all better come get y'all girl. I ain't got to play with her, bro. You know what, y'all? We gonna go on here. You know what I mean? Because people was coming at us saying y'all got to clean out the little thing, you know, a little bit, Otis. So I was like, you know what? All right, I'm going to listen. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to listen.
Tell you one thing. These suckers big.
Yeah, these big.
I'm just really impatient today. Excuse me.
Look, y'all. Super messy. Like we said, we ain't doing too much talking. We grubbing.
Rubbing.
Man.
If you could talk, that would probably be what you would have said.
That is something I would have said. I would have been like, Mom, you should have been pushing a lot harder. Time, money. What you talking about?
Your mom be like, excuse me, have you ever had a baby?
Nope. I mean, technically I did.
Technically you didn't push her out. Like, man, get on my nerves.
What are you talking about?
You wasn't on that labor table
What are you talking
going
about?
through those contractions.
I was.
And
I was holding. I felt the pain too. You was squeezing my hand.
did I squeeze your hands?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember.
Yeah, because you was.
Eh?
That epidural had you.
Shut up. I was asleep. I did fall asleep on the labor. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. My labor story is one of the boringest stories ever.
Yeah, let's wrap this up, man. So it ain't super long.
I didn't scream. None of that. Did I? I did scream a little bit.
Wow, this one is huge.
Yes. Oh my
Whoa.
goodness. Ooh, you got me in the eye a little bit. Huh?
All right, y'all, man. We about to be ending this video.
I had to took you back a little bit, y'all.
We about to be ending this video. But look, y'all.
Yeah, we came to grub with y'all.
Yeah, we
for a
came
little
to
bit.
grub. I know y'all like, boy, y'all do down. And you know what? All I ate at work.
Wait, I'm gonna eat one of these again for y'all before we go. Get it in there real.
Yeah, all I ate at work honestly was some sandwiches.
I don't got no napkin.
So
I forget.
Mm-mm.
it's okay.
We out.
We out, mama.
It's okay.
Yeah, we out, y'all.
Just ran out.
Yep, just ran out. Well, yeah, y'all. We about to go on here and end this video.
Yep. There's a couple things we need y'all to do before we end it. We need you to like this video,
Share this video.
comment down below,
Hit that notification bell.
and don't forget to subscribe. Now, with that being said, how you want to end it?
We gonna end it with. Hold
Love.
on. We gonna end it with
Love, peace, and soul.
Trade peace.